Hi all, Zara from Paranormal White Noise. Hope you're all having a great day. Little bit of a different video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing from Sunaturehome. And they sent me a diamond painting from their website that I chose to do a review on. This is actually going to be done in two parts. Today is going to be the unboxing, taking a look at the canvas and the drills, and then the second part is going to be the review. So let's take this out. It comes in a nice box. I did take the top off yesterday. So this is the actual painting that I'll be doing. It tells you the size, and it tells you where you can find them. I will also put their Facebook group and website in the description below. Very nice sturdy box, not much damage when it came in the post. It only probably took from China to here about 10 days. The tracking company that they use is actually really good. So here we go. Let's just move that out the way. So, and you get the small bag with a small white tray, funnel tray, few baggies, the pink pen, some wax, and the metal tweezers. And then we have the baggies, the drills that come in baggies. I will open this. So, this is the actual picture, and this is the drill sheet of how many bags, DMC numbers, the weight on the bags, how many drills are approximately in the bag. Very nicely printed out, very clear. And as you can see here, note, drill number, blah, blah, blah. Very nicely done, because some do turn out quite messy. And then these are the drills. First impression, actually look really nice. And all the drills will come in this baggie, in these baggies. Let's have a look at this teal one. Oh, it's a bit of trash in that one. Slight bit of colour difference there. Not bad though. But first impressions, really nice. Nice drills, not dusty. Like you get with some companies, the drills can be quite dusty. These are very clear. Really nice. So, most important thing, the picture. So, here we go. This is poured. Just lift this up. Drill table, really clear to see. The actual picture itself, really clear. Nice, really nicely printed canvas. Let's just pull the back of that back. Nice and sticky, the way that it should be. Excuse the noise. If I zoom out, this should be a real enjoyable picture to do, especially with the detail. I did think I ordered a different one, but maybe I'll actually order the one that I originally wanted next time. Canvas quality, nice, sturdy. I think this is going to be a good one to do. So keep an eye on the channel, otherwise I will be doing a complete review. As always, guys, till the next video, on the next stream, stay truthful, stay honest, stay safe, and see you around social media. Bye.